Dear students, welcome to the class on theory of equations. Samikaranavadam class ki swagatam. This is part 8. Okay. In the last class, we have learned how to solve the equations. In the last class, I can say, we have learned how to solve the equations whose roots are in AP, GP, and HP. Now we shall do one problem where the roots of the equation are related by are in AP, GP, and HP. This is from exercise 4B, first section, third problem. Let us solve this problem today. Okay. ముందు క్లాసుల్లో మనము అంక శ్రేణిలో, గుణ శ్రేణిలో, హరాత్మక శ్రేణిలో కనుక మూలాలు ఉంటే సమీకరణాలను ఎలా సాధించాలో నేర్చుకున్నాము. ఇవాళ క్లాస్లో ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఈ అంక శ్రేణిలో ఈ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 4B ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్ థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం మూలాలు ఇచ్చిన సమీకరణానికి మూలాలు అంక శ్రేణిలో ఉంటాయి. గుణ శ్రేణిలో ఉన్న హరాత్మక శ్రేణిలో ఉన్న మూలాలు నియమాలు ఉండడానికి నియమాలు ఎలా ఉన్నాయో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, ఏ ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చారంటే గివెన్ దట్ the roots of x cube plus 3x square plus 3qx plus r is equal to 0 are in AP, then you have to show that 2p cube minus 3qp plus r is equal to 0. Roots are in GP, then you have to show that pqr is equal to qq. If roots are in HP, you have to show that 2q cube is equal to r into 3pq minus r. ఈ సమీకరణ మూలాలు కనుక అంకశ్రేణిలో ఉంటే నియమం ఏంటి? అంకశ్రేణిలో ఉండడానికి నియమము 2pq minus 3qp plus r is equal to 0. మూలాలు కనుక గుణశ్రేణిలో ఉంటే మీరు p cube r is equal to q cube అని చూపించాలి. హరాత్మక శ్రేణిలో ఉంటే 2q cube is equal to r into 3pq minus r అని చూపాలి. Okay, now let us start the first bit. What is the given equation? Given equation is x cube plus 3px square plus 3qx plus r is equal to 0. This is a third degree equation. So you will have three roots. Let the roots be. If I take alpha, beta, gamma and r are roots like same, similarly they look. So what I do is I will take them as alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Let the roots be alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Given the roots are in AP, we have alpha 2 is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 3. Okay, మూలాలు అంకశ్రేణిలో ఉన్నాయి కనుక 2 alpha 2 is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 3. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నాం అంటే గామాని ఆర్ని కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కాకుండా ఉండడానికి తీసుకున్నాం. అవునా? ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చిన సమీకరణం నుంచి ఏమనేది గుణకాలు రాసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది? a naught is equal to 1. a naught is equal to 1 అవుతుంది. a1 is equal to 3p. a2 is equal to 3q. a3 is equal to r. Okay, the coefficients are 1, 3p, 3q and r. Now let us write the relation between them, between the roots and coefficients. What is the first relation? First relation is between the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 is equal to minus a1 by a0 minus 3p. Okay, this implies This implies alpha 1 plus alpha 3. The sum of these two is equal to 2 alpha 2. So 2 alpha 2 plus alpha 2 is equal to minus 3p. This implies 3 alpha 2 is equal to minus 3p. What does this imply? Alpha 2 is equal to minus p. One root is minus p. Okay. So alpha 2 is equal to minus p is a root of x cube plus 3p x square plus 3qx plus r is equal to 0. Is it not? So because this is a root, it has to satisfy this equation. So substituting alpha 2 is substituting minus p in the above equation. Why are we substituting? Because minus p is the root of this equation. It has to satisfy this equation. Is it not? You substitute it, you have to get a 0 here. Is it not? So ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది గుణకాలు a0 is equal to 1 అవుతుంది, a1 is equal to 3p, a2 is equal to 3q, a3 is equal to r. Sum of the roots, మూలాల సంకలనం ఎంత అవుతుంది? alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 is equal to minus a1 by n minus 3p by 1. Okay. ఇక్కడ alpha 1 plus alpha 3 బదులు 2 alpha 2 ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే 2 alpha 2 plus alpha 2 is equal to minus 3p. 3 alpha 2 is equal to minus 3p. Implies alpha 2 is equal to minus p అవుతుంది. అవునా? మైనస్ పి దీనికి ఈ సమీకరణానికి మూలం x cube plus 3p x square plus 3qx plus r is equal to 0 కు మూలం కనుక ఈ మైనస్ p ని దీనిలో ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే ఈ మైనస్ p ఈ సమీకరణాన్ని తృప్తిపరుస్తుంది. కాబట్టి దీన్ని దీనిలో ప్రతిక్షేపిద్దాం. మైనస్ p హోల్ ప్లస్ 3p మైనస్ p ప్లస్ 3q మైనస్ p ప్లస్ r is equal to 0. Minus pq plus 3pq minus 3pq plus r is equal to 0. Either 2pq minus 3pq plus r is equal to 0. This is what we are supposed to show. ఇదే కదా మనం చూపించాల్సింది. ఇది వచ్చేస్తుందో రాలేదు. 2pq minus 3qp plus r. Is it not? See? So 2pq minus 3pq plus r is equal to 0. This we have completed. Okay. We shall go to the next case where the roots are in GP and you have to show this condition. Okay. Let the roots of x cube plus 3p x square plus 3qx plus r is equal to 0 be in GP. Let the roots be alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3. Because these are in GP, what is the relation they've satisfied? Alpha 2 square is equal to alpha 1, alpha 3. Is it not? Alpha 2 by alpha 1 is equal to alpha 3 by alpha 2. So cross multiply, alpha 2 square is equal to alpha 1, alpha 3. This is the condition for the roots to be in GP. అవునా? ఈ సమీకరణ మూలాలు గుణశ్రేణిలో ఉన్నాయి కనుక ఆ మూలాలు ఆల్ఫా 1 ఆల్ఫా 2 ఆల్ఫా 3 అనుకుంటే ఆల్ఫా 2 స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆల్ఫా 1 ఆల్ఫా 3 అవుతుంది. అవునా? ఇప్పుడు మూలాలకి గుణకాలకి మధ్య ఉన్న సంబంధాలు S1 ఏంటి? ఆల్ఫా 1 ప్లస్ ఆల్ఫా 2 ప్లస్ ఆల్ఫా 3. దీని విలువ ఎంత? మైనస్ 3p మైనస్ a1 బై a0. ఓకే. S2 alpha 1 alpha 2 plus alpha 2 alpha 3 plus alpha 3 alpha 1. See, this is equal to a2 by a0. a2 3q by a0 1 kabatti s3 product of roots alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3 is equal to minus a3 minus r. So this is equation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 implies is this implies we know that alpha 2 square is equal to alpha 1 alpha 3. So in place of alpha 1 alpha 3 we can substitute alpha 2 square. Alpha 2 square into alpha 2 is equal to minus r. This implies alpha 3 cube is equal to minus r. This implies alpha 3 is equal to minus r whole to the power of minus 3. Okay, now this is the root of the given equation. Okay, alpha 3 is equal to minus r whole to 1 by 3 is a root of x cube plus 3b x square plus 3q x plus r is equal to 0. Again, by the same logic, because this is the root of this equation, it has to satisfy this equation. కాబట్టి ఏం చేస్తాం మనం ఇక్కడ ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తాం మైనస్ r whole to the power of 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3b into minus r whole to the 1 by 3 whole square plus 3q minus r to the power of 1 by 3 plus r is equal to 0. So if this 3 gets cancelled and minus r will have implies minus r plus 3b r to the power of 2 by 3. So say 3b minus whole square is plus r to the power of 1 by 3 whole square, r to the power of 2 by 3. Plus into minus is minus. 3q r to the power of 1 by 3 plus r is equal to 0. Minus r plus r gets cancelled. This implies 3p r to the power of 2 by 3 minus 3q r to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to 0. This implies 3 to the power of 3 into r to the power of 1 by 3 if I take common. P is remained here, r to the power of 1 by 3 remains because it is 2 by 3 minus q is equal to 0. Dividing by 3 r to the power of 1 by 3, we have p r to the power of 1 by 3 minus q is equal to 0. This implies r to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to q by p. This implies r to the power of 1 by 3 whole cube is equal to q by p whole cube, which implies r is equal to q cube by p cube, which implies q cube is equal to p cube r. This is what we need. Is it not? ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాం మనము క్యూబింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాము డివైడింగ్ బై 3r to the power of 1 by 3. So what did we do? Let's just go through this. Alpha 3, we got alpha 3 as minus r to the power of 1 by 3. అవునా, ఇది ఈ సమీకరణానికి మూలం కాబట్టి ఇది ఈ సమీకరణాన్ని తృప్తిపరుస్తుంది. ఏ తృప్తిపరుస్తుంది? ఆల్ఫా 3 తృప్తిపరుస్తుంది. ఆల్ఫా 3 విలువ ఎంత? minus r whole to the power of 1 by 3. అది తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ ప్రతిక్షేపించాం. దేని బదులు x బదులు ప్రతిక్షేపించాం, మూలం కదా, అందుకని minus r whole to the power of 1 by 3 to the power of 3. 3 cancel అయిపోయి minus r మిగులుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 3p x square. 3p ఇది x square, x అంటే r to the power of 1 by 3 whole square. ఈ మైనస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. ప్లస్ 3q minus r to the power of 1 by 3 plus r. ఇక్కడ ఒక మైనస్ r, ఈ ప్లస్ r క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే 3p r to the power of 2 by 3 minus 3q r to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to 0 అవుతుంది. ఈ రెండింటిలో నుంచి 3 to the power of 3r to the power of 1 by 3 is common. So what we get here, m is ikkada PR to the power of 1 by 3 minus q is equal to 0. Then 3r to the power of 1 by 3 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే కనుక PR to the power of 1 by 3 minus q is equal to 0 అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ నుంచి r to the power of 1 by 3 విలువ q by p అవుతుంది. దీన్ని ఇరువైపులా ఘనం చేస్తే r మిగులుతుంది. ఇక్కడ q by p క్యూబ్ మిగులుతుంది. అంటే అడ్డగుణకారం చేస్తే q cube is equal to p cube r, which we have to show. ఇదే కదా మనం చూపించాల్సింది. చూద్దామా? ఇదే కదా p cube r is equal to q cube. ఇది కూడా అయిపోయింది. Let us go to the next one. If the roots are in HP, you have to show this. Okay. Third, let the roots of x cube plus 3px square plus 3qx plus r is equal to 0 be in HP. Okay. So let this be equal to, let f of x be equal to x cube plus 3px square plus 3qx plus r, and let the roots of x cube f of x is equal to 0 be 1 by alpha, 1 by beta and 1 by gamma. Okay. Now alpha, beta, gamma will be the roots of f of 1 by x is equal to 0, and the roots are in now the roots of f of 1 by x is equal to 0 are alpha, beta, gamma, which are in x. అవునా? ఈ సమీకరణ మూలాలు హెచ్పిలో ఉన్నాయమ్మా. Let us take alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. f of x is equal to 0 ఈ సమీకరణం. ఈ సమీకరణం మూలాలు ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? మూలాలు ఏం తీసుకున్నాం? 1 by alpha 1, 1 by alpha 2, 1 by alpha 3. ఇవి ఎందులో ఉన్నాయి? హెచ్పిలో. సో ఆల్ఫా 1, ఆల్ఫా 2, ఆల్ఫా 3 ఎందులో ఉంటాయి? ఏపీలో. ఆల్ఫా 1, ఆల్ఫా 2, ఆల్ఫా 3 మూలాలుగా ఉన్న సమీకరణం ఏమవుతుంది? f of 1 by x is equal to 0 అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మనము ఆల్ఫా 1, ఆల్ఫా 2, ఆల్ఫా 3 కనుక్కుంటే ఇవి కనుక్కున్నట్టే. ఒకవేళ ఆల్ఫా 1, ఆల్ఫా 2, ఆల్ఫా 3 ఏపీలో ఉంటాయి. ఈ సమీకరణానికి మూలాలు అవ్వాలంటే నియమం కనుక్కుంటే దెన్ వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ద కండిషన్ ఫర్ ద రూట్స్ of f of x is equal to 0 to be in HP. అవునా? Did you understand? If we can find the condition that these roots which are in AP, roots of this we have to show that some relation. When does that relation holds? That relation holds when the roots of this are in HP. If the roots of the equation are in HP, then the roots of f of 1 by x is equal to 0 would be AP. What are the roots of f of 1 by x is equal to 0? They are alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. So now A1 is equal to, sorry, what is f of 1 by x now? F of 1 by x is equal to 0 implies 1 by x whole cube plus 3p 1 by x square plus 3q 1 by x plus r is equal to 0. This implies 1 by x cube plus 3p by x square plus 3q by x plus r is equal to 0. This implies x cube is LCM 1 plus 3px plus 3qx square plus rx cube is equal to 0. Implies 1 plus 3px plus 3qx square plus rx cube is equal to 0. Plus rx cube plus 3qx square plus 3px plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, what are the roots of this equation? What are the coefficients of this equation? A1 is equal to R, A0 is equal to R, A1 is equal to 3Q, A2 is equal to 3P, A3 is equal to 1. Now, we shall write the relation between the roots and its coefficients. What is S1 now? Before going to this, what are the roots? Let alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 be the roots of 1 by x is equal to 0, which are in AP. Implies 2 alpha 2 is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 3. So, what is S1 now? Alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 is equal to minus A1 by A0. A1 by A0. So, what is alpha 1 plus alpha 3 plus alpha 2 is equal to minus 3q by alpha 1 plus alpha 2 is 2 alpha 2 plus alpha 2 is minus 3q by. So, alpha 2 is equal to minus q by r is the root of f of 1 by x is equal to 0. What is f of 1 by x? F of 1 by x is equal to 0 is rx cube plus 3qx square plus 3px plus 1 is equal to 0. So, alpha 2 is equal to minus q by r is the root of the above equation. So, what does this imply? You can substitute it here. Minus q by r cube plus 3q minus q by r whole square plus 3p into minus q by r plus 1 is equal to 0. This will satisfy this equation, isn't it? So, this implies minus r cube by r cube minus plus y plus minus plus into q square by r square minus q by r whole square is q square by r square minus 3p into q by r plus 1 is equal to 0. This r goes one time. So, what do you get now? Minus 2q by r square minus q by r square plus 3q by r square minus 3pq by r plus 1 is equal to 0. What does this imply? R square is LCM minus qq plus 3q r minus 3q minus plus 3qq minus 3pqr plus r square is equal to 0. Cross multiply. Minus qq plus 3qq is 2qq minus 3pqr plus r square is equal to 0. This implies two q is equal to 3pqr minus r square. This implies 2q is equal to r into 3pq minus r. This is what we are supposed to. Okay, did you understand this? Okay, students, practice this problem. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.